Agricultural food giant Cargill plans to start selling wearable devices designed to curb methane emissions from cattle. The wearables that look kind of like masks have been designed and developed by a UK startup called Zelp. Livestock farming accounts for a substantial share of agricultural emissions. In fact, it actually makes up 14.5% of greenhouse gas emissions globally. And that's mainly because cattle, sheep or other ruminants release methane, basically a result of their peculiar, unique digestive systems. Most of that methane goes out through cows' mouths as they burp. Zelp's wearables get placed just above cows' mouths. Essentially, a set of fans powered by batteries will suck up the burps and trap them in the chamber with a methane-absorbing filter. And once that filter is saturated, a chemical reaction turns the methane into carbon dioxide, which is then released in the air. It's still a greenhouse gas, but methane is much worse. So converting it into CO2 is still a win. The devices are not the only solution out there. In fact, there is a quest to find the most effective way to curb methane emissions. Feed supplements or additives are being tested and developed right now. More work needs to be done in order to gauge how effective these solutions are, and scientists are looking into it. We know that most of these solutions cannot fully eliminate methane emissions from cattle. Farmers do need financial incentives in order to use them. Perhaps one of the ways to help farmers would be to give them an opportunity to offer this climate-smart milk or meat at a premium to standard products. Meat production and dairy production are still expected to grow in the next years. And that's largely because consumption is growing in many markets, especially in emerging markets. So we won't eliminate cattle overnight. The production will be ongoing, so it's so important to actually find solutions that will address livestock's footprint. Dairy and meat companies, many food producers are under pressure from their investors and also consumers to reduce their carbon footprint.